Welcome to Crypto Yield Pro, where we unlock the secrets to transforming your crypto journey into a profitable adventure. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the wild swings of the crypto market, wondering when to cash out or let your investments ride? You're not alone, and that's exactly why you've landed here. Today, I'm sharing proven strategies that will help you profit big in crypto while avoiding the mistakes that cost so many their hard-earned gains. Most people in crypto lose not because they didn't buy the right asset, but because they didn't have a plan for when to sell. Sound familiar? This video is about changing that narrative. Whether you're just starting or you've been in the game for a while, these strategies are designed to be beginner-friendly and innovative while delivering the confidence you need to lock in your gains. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on insider tips and actionable insights. Let's get started with how to take control of your crypto profits, one strategic move at a time. Ever heard the saying, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep? In the crypto world, that couldn't be more true. Profit taking is about locking in those gains before the market decides to take them back. Picture this. You bought Bitcoin at $40,000, and now it's $95,000. That unrealized profit isn't yours until you sell. Whether you cash out into fiat, park it in stablecoins, or reinvest into solid assets like Bitcoin itself, the goal is to convert screen numbers into real financial wins. But how do you decide when to take the leap? Timing is everything, and crypto's volatility makes it tricky. You don't want to sell too early and miss the ride, but you definitely don't want to watch profits evaporate in a flash crash. A solid approach is knowing your exit strategies. For instance, selling a portion at a predefined profit target can ensure you lock in gains while still leaving room for potential upside. Think of it like slicing the pie. You enjoy a piece now and save the rest for later. And let's not ignore the emotional side. It's easy to get attached to your crypto bags, thinking, what if it moons tomorrow? But here's the thing. You're in this for financial freedom, not bragging rights. Selling at strategic points doesn't mean you're out of the game. It means you're playing smart. So, buckle up because next, we're diving into how to craft a profit-taking plan that works for you. Crafting a profit-taking plan is like drawing a map for your financial journey. It's not just about when to sell, but also how much and what to do with those gains. Let's say you're aiming for a 20% profit. It's a tangible goal that keeps you disciplined. For example, if you bought Ethereum at $1,000 and it hits $1,200, selling a portion ensures you've locked in profit while keeping some exposure in case it climbs higher. This strategy takes the guesswork out of the equation. Think about diversifying where your profits go. Maybe you allocate some to stablecoins like USDC to park your gains securely, while reinvesting the rest in other promising crypto projects or even traditional assets. The point is, your profits should work for you, not just sit idle. And let's not forget about taxes. Having a plan in place helps you prepare for any liabilities and avoids unwelcome surprises come tax season. One of the best tools you can use is automation. Setting limit orders on exchanges allows you to sell automatically when your target price is hit. It's like having a safety net that ensures your emotions don't get the better of you. Whether it's a volatile market or a slow climb, a well-thought-out plan keeps you ahead of the curve. Up next, let's explore some short-term strategies that can amplify your gains in no time. When it comes to short-term strategies, speed and precision are your best friends. Take the aim for the gain strategy, for example. This involves setting a clear profit target, say a 10% increase, and selling your holdings once it hits that mark. It's like being a sniper. You have one target and you don't flinch. The beauty? You lock in profits quickly, which can be reinvested or used elsewhere. But remember, quick gains come with risks, and you'll need to stay alert to market swings. Then there's the sales schedule strategy, which spreads out your profit taking over multiple price points. Imagine buying 1,000 tokens at $1 each. You sell 10% when the price hits $1.50, another 20% at $2, and so on. This staggered approach helps you capture gains while still keeping some tokens in play for the long haul. It's perfect for those who don't want to stress about timing the market perfectly. And let's not forget the house money strategy. This one's all about minimizing risk. Suppose you invest $500 and it doubles to $1,000. You sell $500, your initial investment, and let the remaining $500 ride. Now you're playing with profits, not your own cash. It's a simple yet powerful way to stay in the game while keeping your peace of mind. Ready for more? Let's shift gears and dive into long-term strategies that focus on sustainable gains. When it comes to long-term crypto strategies, patience isn't just a virtue. It's the key to unlocking life-changing gains. Imagine holding Bitcoin through its halving cycles, like the last one in 2024. Each halving historically sends prices skyrocketing as the supply diminishes, creating a scarcity effect. By committing to a 2 to 5 year horizon, you give your investments the breathing room they need to ride these cycles. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't expect it to grow overnight, but over time, its rewards are abundant. The beauty of a long-term approach is that it's less stressful and more predictable. Instead of constantly checking charts, you focus on gradual sell-offs as your portfolio grows. Let's say you've been stacking Bitcoin at various price points, $20,000, $40,000. When the price hits $60,000, you start selling small portions to fund major life goals like a new house, paying off debt, or diversifying into other investments like real estate or gold. This way, you capture gains without ever feeling rushed. However, discipline is everything. Long-term holders often fall into the trap of getting emotionally attached, refusing to sell even when they've hit their targets. That's where having a clear plan comes into play. Deciding in advance what you'll do with your gains keeps you focused. And here's a pro tip. Always store your long-term holdings on a secure cold wallet, away from exchanges that could be hacked or frozen. Ready to fine-tune your strategies? Let's dive into some practical tips to maximize every move. Maximizing your crypto profits isn't just about buying and selling. It's also about keeping an eye on the hidden costs. Transaction fees, for instance, can eat into your gains if you're not careful. Every time you move crypto between wallets or exchanges, you pay a fee. So imagine buying a coin for $1,000 and selling it at $1,200, only to lose $50 to fees. That's why it's crucial to account for these costs when setting your profit targets and avoid frequent small transactions that add up over time. But it's not just fees. Banking challenges can throw a wrench into your plans too. Some banks are wary of crypto transactions and might freeze your account if you suddenly start cashing out large sums. Another pro tip here: spread your withdrawals across multiple accounts and give your bank a heads up about your plans. It's always better to stay ahead of potential roadblocks, especially when the market is hot and you need quick access to funds. And then there's the risk of relying too much on exchanges. Exchanges can freeze withdrawals, get hacked, or even collapse. Think of recent high-profile cases. To avoid these pitfalls, make it a habit to move your profits into secure cold storage wallets or diversify into stablecoins or other assets. By keeping these tips in mind, you'll not only protect your profits, but also ensure you're set up for future success. Now, let's explore some cutting-edge tools to make profit-taking even easier. Profit-taking doesn't have to be a logistical headache, thanks to the emergence of innovative tools that simplify the process. Take crypto debit cards, for example. With cards from platforms like Binance, Bybit, or Crypto.com, you can instantly convert your crypto into fiat and make everyday purchases. It's like skipping the tedious step of selling on an exchange and waiting for a bank transfer. Imagine buying your morning coffee with gains from yesterday's price surge, effortless and efficient. Another game changer is the use of cold storage wallets with advanced functionalities. Tangem and Ledger, for instance, offer secure wallets that not only protect your assets but also integrate with mobile apps for seamless transactions. You can track your holdings, send funds, and even stake certain assets directly from these devices. It's the perfect combination of security and convenience for both long-term holders and frequent traders. Lastly, consider automated portfolio management tools like Shrimpy or CoinStats. These platforms allow you to set profit-taking thresholds, rebalance your portfolio, and monitor your performance. all in one place. They take the guesswork out of managing your investments and let you focus on strategy rather than stress. With tools like these, profit-taking becomes less about effort and more about execution. Remember, profit-taking isn't just about locking in gains. It's about creating a pathway to financial freedom. Whether you're using short-term tactics, long-term holding strategies, or leveraging innovative tools, the key is having a plan and sticking to it. Ask yourself, what's your next move? Will you set up that profit-taking plan you've been meaning to? Will you explore the tools we discussed to make your journey smoother? Whatever your decision, take that first step today. It's what separates successful investors from the rest. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And here's an extra treat. If you want to dive deeper into mastering DeFi and building your financial freedom, grab my exclusive ebook packed with insider tips, strategies, and the perfect DeFi portfolio. You'll find the link pinned in the first comment below. Take action now, and I'll see you tomorrow on your next profitable adventure.